Hunger is a form of communication, right? You're on your cell phone. What am I telling you? I'm hungry. She was initially really mad that I was banging out. But I was really trying to tell her something. Because I'm a nonverbal child, this means I'm hungry. So it is imperative that we look at what we perceive to be as behaviors and understand if they're not in fact a means of communication. If our child is not really in fact trying to convey something to us, that they're hungry, that they're hurt. And this is a biggie with our kids, when they're hurt. Because they don't always know how to express it. They have a stomachache or they have a sore throat. And sometimes they'll act out, but they're really sick, or they're really hurt, or they fell, or there's something going on. And it's really up to us to almost kind of be investigators to some degree. Understand that if your child comes in exhibiting a certain behavior, something may have happened at home prior to him or her even getting to school. Behavior can often, I'm not saying it always is. Sometimes a behavior is just a behavior. Sometimes a kick is just a kick. But sometimes a kick is something else.